Yes. Today we are continuing linear equation. Linear equation in one variable. Linear equation in one variable. You know what is variable? Whenever the values changes, varies, like x, y. So we will have one variable. We'll not have x, y, two variables. We have only one x. We can keep it as x, or we can keep it as y, anything. Okay. In that we are going to the second exercise. Second exercise, page number, tell me, ma. Alden, tell page number.
28.
Page number is what?
Page number 28, ma'am.
28. Page number 28. Exercise 2.2. Okay, exercise 2.2. We are doing first sum we did, second sum we have done, right? Now third sum. Third sum Alden is dictating. Others can read. Just see the board and listen. Mute your.
The base of an isosceles triangle. The base of an isosceles triangle.
Triangle.
An isosceles triangle
Yeah, the base of an isosceles triangle. Yes.
is 4 by 3 centimeter. Is 4 by 3 centimeter.
Yeah. Then
The perimeter of the triangle. The perimeter of the triangle is 4 2 by 15 centimeter.
Then
What is the length of either of the remaining equal sides? What is the length of either of the remaining equal sides?
very good, very good. Now listen carefully. First, this is the question. Now, first, what you should do in the answer, consider this is an isosceles triangle. So two sides are equal. Isosceles means what? Two sides are equal. This is different, and we will take that equal sides as x. We'll take that equal sides as x. Are you listening, children? Anybody?
Yes, ma'am. We are listening, ma'am.
Yeah. Now, so there are two sides. So start with the question answer. Consider. What you should start? Consider. Wait, somebody is waiting. We will allow them inside. They come in on right time. Who's that? Try to come on right time. Consider the equal side as x. Consider the equal side as x centimeter. Okay. So x. There are two x's, and then the base is 4 by 3. It's given. Base is 4 by 3. Okay. Now perimeter. What do you mean by perimeter, Purnagant? Purnagant, what is mean by perimeter?
You left, ma'am.
Purnagant left. Because I'm telling him to read, you will left off. Okay,
Ma'am,
Ma'am, can I say, ma'am?
ma'am.
yes. Wait.
Gokul, ma'am.
Gokul tell. Very good. Gokul tell.
Sum of length of all sides of a figure is
Very
called
good.
as perimeter.
Very good. We can clap for Gokul if you are there in this class. Very good. AB plus BC. Okay, good, good. AB plus BC plus CA. Sum of all the sides. So, perimeter is x plus this third side is 4 by 3. This equal to 4 2 by 15. According to the clue, they will give one clue in the question. Keeping the clue, you should make an equation, linear equation. Y is equal to mx plus c is a standard equation that you should make. For that, from the question, this is from the question, perimeter is 4 2 by 15 means x plus 4 by 3 is equal to 4 2 by 15. Now, this 4 2 by 15 is mixed fraction, make it improper. So 15 fours are how much? 15 fours are 60. So what is this answer? 62 by 15. 62 by 15. X plus x is 2x. X plus x is 2x. So put it like this. Then now you bring this plus 4 by 3 this side. The easiest method I'm doing. 2x you keep it here only. Don't change the 2x. Don't change the 2x. Only take 4 by 3 after the equal
4
sign.
by 3. We should.
After the
It will
equal sign,
become minus, ma'am.
very good. Minus. Because it is like a Pakistan border. When you are changing, you should have lots of changes. So plus will become minus. Now take the LCM. 3 and 15. 15 will be taken. Okay, so 15 ones are 62. Whenever you have multiples, no, you no need to sit and do what is LCM. Take the biggest number as LCM. Okay, now 3 5s are 50. So that 5 should be multiplied on top. So 20 will come. Okay, 62 minus 20. How much? 2, 42 by
42.
by
42.
15. Now 2x is this. What is x? What should I do? Someone
Divide, ma'am.
divide.
Ma'am,
Divide is
15
nothing
into
but
2.
into
2, ma'am. 15 into 2.
into 1 by 2 you should do, because this is 2 by 1 will become reciprocal. In multiplication, fraction will become reciprocal. 2 by 1 will become 1 by 2. 1 by 2 will become into 2. That is only called division. We can't divide otherwise. We have to write only reciprocal and multiply. So 2 ones are 2, 2, 21. So 21 by 15 in 3 table, again you can cancel. So you get 7 by 5. That's all the
5.
answer. So in mixed fraction, you will get 1, 2 by 5. So this is the solution of x. So final answer, you should take it and write, children. That's when some of them are not writing the steps. Okay, you have to write the steps. This, some of them are not writing the step. You should write down at the end conclusion statement, children. The conclusion statement says that the base of the isosceles, the conclusion statement is the equal length of the triangle is equal to. You should write like that. The equal length of the triangle is, isosceles triangle is equal to, what is answer we got? What is answer we
1
got?
1 by 2 5.
1 by 2 5. Okay. The board is okay. Next. Anyway, we completed the third sum. Now fourth sum. Fourth sum. I want Purnakant is not there. Shiva, dictate the fourth sum. Shiva, you have a textbook. Always you must be ready with the textbook.
Ma'am,
Shiva
can
is
I
there.
read now?
Purnakant is there. You can dictate. Otherwise, Shiva.
Now I'll dictate, ma'am.
Yeah.
Sum of two numbers is 95.
If you given like this, no, children, first you start with consider a number is x, and sum is 90 means 90 minus x is the next number, because one number is, suppose one number is 20, you think, so other number should be 70. So only we take, consider one number is 90, another number is 90 minus x. Then, this is the first statement. First clue tells us that two clues will be given. Using the two clues, you have to make an equation. The first clue says that the number, number is 95. 95, yeah. 95. 90 or 95? Purnakant.
95, ma'am.
95. So 95 minus x you should put. Whenever it is coming like that, sum of the two numbers means one number is x, another number is 95 minus x you should put. Then go to the second clue. This is the first clue.
If one exceeds the other by 15.
So one is bigger and one is smaller, and when both exceeds means subtraction. One is big and one is small. When you subtract small from the big, the answer is 15. Okay, small from the big. We don't know which is big, which is small, but randomly we'll take x minus one number minus another number. If you want, you can write that. One number minus another number. One number minus another number. One number minus another number. How much? 15. That is only the meaning of the second clue. One number exceeds other number by 15. The meaning is one number minus another number is 15. Okay? Is it correct? Yes. Now one number is x. Another number is? Which is another number?
95 minus
95 minus x. But am I right? Am I right on the board? Check.
No, ma'am.
No. What mistake I have done? Okay, no. What mistake I have done?
Ma'am, it is 95 minus x. We should put in brackets, ma'am.
Very good. Who said that? Who said that?
Current Sai.
Karan Sai. Very good, Karan Sai. So that is only important. You should know to identify the mistake, means you are perfect in mathematics. Okay. So you are now binomial. No, binomial you cannot write without bracket. Like mask, virus is outside. Minus means negative is outside. Virus is outside. To protect what you should put? Mask.
Mask.
Yeah, like that, this is bracket. Whenever minus is there outside, bracket is important. If minus is not there, instead of minus, we have plus means that bracket is not important. You understand? If instead of a good viruses, that is, that nothing it will do. But if it is bad virus like corona, you should put mask. Okay? So now you should put mask and you should walk. You should clear everything, wash your hand, and then you remove the mask. If you're going out, wear mask and go because negative corona is there outside. So now when I removing it, minus into plus minus, and then simplifying it, minus into minus plus. So this is like we come and wash hand and then you remove the mask and throw in dustbin. Or okay, so it is like simplifying. So now x minus 95 minus x minus into plus minus minus into minus plus. So x plus x will become 2x minus 95 is equal to 15. Now what we should do? What we should do, Shiva? What is my next step? Hello? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. What I should do next step?
Ma'am,
Plus 95. Ma'am, you should put 95 others.
Very good, very good.
95 other
Only
side.
Shiva will others mute yourself. Shiva, I'm asking. Let Shiva answer. Okay, 2x minus 95 will become plus 95. Okay, now what is answer? Shiva, Alden, what is answer?
110.
Ma'am, 110.
Okay,
110 is the answer.
Very good, 110. So 2x is equal to 110. X is equal to 110 by 2, which is equal to 55. So one number is 55. What could be the other number? Samanth is there?
95 minus 50.
Samanth is there or not there, ma'am? Samanth answer. What could be the another number, Samanth?
Is there, ma'am?
Samanth put the video on and audio on and he went out.
Ma'am,
Tell me, Samanth. Very good. The number is
Ma'am,
55. Samanth is there, right? Samanth, loudly. Your mic is not
Minus-
working.
minus, ma'am.
Very good. What you should do? One number is 55. What I should do for another number? You should go back to the sum and check. Okay. What we have taken? We have taken 90 minus. What we have taken? 95 minus x we have taken. No. So 95 minus 55 you should do. 95 minus 55. What is 95 minus 55, Samanth? Samanth. 40. Okay. So one number is 55, another number is 40. Is it easy? Is it easy, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You understand the simplification?
Yes, ma'am.
Do one by one simplification, it will be easy. Do one by one. Don't be in a hurry. Write the final conclusion statement. Equal sign should come equally down like this, children. Okay, I am writing on this whiteboard. I am finding difficult, but you write neatly in the book. Equal sign should come equally. Okay, so follow first to consider. Follow what you are taking it as first x. And then according to question, what is the statement? Two clues will be given. One clue you use it like this. Second clue you use it in like this. First clue will be useful for us to identify which is a number, which is another number. Second clue will be help us to frame the equation. That is y is equal to mx plus c. That is a linear equation. To frame it, we need to write it and simplify. Remember, binomial subtraction is outside means remove the bracket. First you put the bracket and remove it by multiplying. Minus into plus, minus, minus into minus, plus. Like that you remove. Make a standard equation. This is mx plus c. This like this you make a standard equation and then standard equation and then you do what is x and then you write the final conclusion statement like this. Okay, two sums only I'm teaching you so that you can do slowly. Practice homework sums 5, 6, 7 an example. Yesterday we did 2 examples, right? Some of them have done the wrong examples. It's okay. Today you do correctly the example. Which example we should do? Which example we should do, children? 1 and 2 we did, no, 3 and 4. Example 3, 4. Okay, 5 sums. Example 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7 in exercise 2.2. Okay, children, shall we stop?